I took the opportunity of today's meeting to thank the President for the immense contribution that the Ukrainian people who have sought refuge in Ireland have made to communities up and down our country. Thousands of Ukrainians have come to Ireland since Russia's full-scale invasion. Some have returned home, some have stayed. They have been welcomed into the homes and hearts of Irish people, and they have become a part of the rich tapestry that is today's Ireland. When we attend the Ireland-Ukraine Economic Forum, among the businesses we will meet will be Ukrainian-led and owned enterprises that have been set up here by people fleeing the war. Ukrainians at home and abroad have shown themselves to be immensely resilient, innovative and creative, qualities that I like to think we recognise and share. President Zelensky, as a country with a long history of migration of our own, as a people that at times in our history have known conflict and have sought refuge and opportunity abroad, as a people who have seen peace come and our country transformed, know that for as long as Ukraine needs our help and support, Ireland will be there for you. Your struggle is our struggle. Your success will be our success. We are with you for as long as it takes. Mr. President, Vladimir, you and the First Lady are most welcome to Ireland. We will continue to do all we can to support a just and lasting peace for Ukraine. I've always been clear that nothing can be decided about Ukraine without the involvement of Ukraine. And we will be with you when peace prevails to support the recovery and reconstruction of your country. Thank you, and Slava Ukraini.